What's up guys, welcome back. I'm Carla if you're new, and for today's video I have another designer's dupes video. And I have noticed that you guys love designer dupe videos. You guys know I also do love my dupes. I am someone that will splurge in the real thing. You guys know this. I wear very affordable clothing. All of my clothing are like $5–10. Literally nothing outrageous. Everything's from Shein, H&M, Forever 21. But when it comes to like handbags and accessories, that's when I like to splurge. But I know not everybody is able or wants to splurge that much on designer items. I'm not saying that I can't splurge on them on a daily, because that is not the case either. So a few months ago, I worked with a company named ibagshocom, and I did a review slash unboxing of a mini Palm Springs Louis Vuitton. And you guys know that I was like, my mouth dropped. I was just so shocked at the quality of the handbag. It looked and it felt like the real thing. I was speechless. You guys know this. So when they reached out to me, I literally screamed, and I can't contain my excitement, because what I'm going to show you, it's something that I have been wanting for so long. I just can't justify spending that much money on it. So this time right here, I went for a Gucci handbag. Once upon a time, Gucci was just like so highly praised. And I'm not saying, I'm not taking away from the brand, but I'm just saying that a lot of people aren't necessarily so for Gucci nowadays. I'm still all so for Gucci. I love Gucci. It's one of my favorite brands, and it's actually, I think, the brand that I have the most items from, like authentic items from. This handbag in particular, I could not justify buying. It's $2,650 before tax, and you know, I can't justify that, okay? Like, I can justify $1,000, $1,500, pushing it $2,600 and above. It's just like outrageous. So I saw that they had this on their website, and I'm gonna start shutting up right now and unboxing, because that's, you know, you guys don't care about that. You guys care about what's inside here, right? So this is the box that it came with. I am very unfamiliar with this color box. I want to believe, and I actually do think, that Gucci does also offer boxes like this. Every single time that I have shopped from them, I've gotten the white and black box, and before, I'm talking about years and years ago, they had like the solid brown box. Those I've gotten as well. So that's it. I've never actually purchased from them and gotten this box, but I do believe, like I said, that it is a thing. I just can't talk too much about the box because I'm just very unfamiliar with it. So it opens from over here, and I do want to say I have already opened it because I have no self-control. I got it delivered, and I told myself, Carla, you are not going to open it because you're gonna wait till you're sitting down to unwrap everything. And I couldn't, y'all. Like, I couldn't. I was like, I have to see what it is. I have to like touch it and feel it. So I've already unboxed it, but I haven't done much with it. So it's still going to be, not necessarily, I'm not gonna be shocked by it because I was already shocked. But you know, I'm gonna shut up again. Actually, before I forget, I do have a coupon code with them that I'll put here on the screen, but also in the description down below. It is not affiliated. I'm not getting paid for it. It's just gonna save you guys a little bit of money. Now I'm gonna open it up, and it does come with a dust bag as well. Again, I'm not familiar with its dust bag, so I don't know. To me, and I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, because you know, honesty, I'm brutal. I don't care. I don't think this dust bag does it for me. Like, I don't think the quality is there in the dust bag, but I mean, you're not gonna walk around with the dust bag, you know? Like, no one's gonna see this. This is just for your own purpose, you know, of storage. I don't really care for the dust bag. However, what you guys are all here for, okay. It's literally, it's identical. Matter of fact, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put it in this video. Maybe I'll do like a little clip, because I did get my mom this handbag, but it's like the wallet on change, but it has the same print on it. So I might be able to like maybe do a side by side. I'm not promising, but I'm gonna try, because obviously I don't have that purse with me because it's my mom's. But I'm gonna see if I can compare hers with this one, because this is identical. Like, I cannot even begin to describe to you guys how identical it is. And as you guys know, I always do close-ups for you guys, and I put them on the side just like in every single one of my videos, so you guys are able to see it a little bit more, you know, close up to you. So let me just go over a few things. First of all, she is gorgeous. She is one of those things that you're gonna walk around and you're gonna look like $1 million and no one's gonna know. No one's gonna know it's a replica because just take my word for it. Take my freaking word for it. This is amazing. Even the change is just so like nice and heavy. Like it doesn't feel cheap, and that's kind of always my thing when you buy a replica. It's pretty easy, well, not like I make them myself, but I will assume it's pretty easy to get, you know, the actual look of it. But when it comes to the hardware, I feel like that's when they tend to fuck up. This one right here, you can't tell. By the way, this is the Gucci Dionysus. I think that's how you pronounce it. I used to just call it the Gucci Dinosaur, but you know, that's not the name. It's the Dionysus. I think that's it. And this is the small version. So this is not the wallet on chain. It's also not the humongous one, because they do offer this one a little bit bigger. But let me tell you, you don't need bigger than this. So this is one of those handbags that you can wear as a crossbody, or you can also wear as a shoulder bag, because you can just kind of put the straps like this. And like I said, I'm going to do a very good close-up of this right here. It's just the details, y'all. It's the details for me. Even the suede part right here feels amazing. It's so nice and sturdy. It has the suede right here, just like the real thing. When you open it up, so you open it up through here, it has like a little button. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, because I was so hyped up when I saw it. When I opened it, I was like, ah! Like I was just trying to like jam it out, because I thought it's the wallet on chain should just kind of pull it. So I thought this one was the same thing, but no, this one has a button to open it. I could have broken this, okay? Because I was like, why can I open it? Like, is this defective? No. The only thing defective at that moment was my brain, because I was just, you know, trying to do it like so hard. So yeah, it has the little click right here. I don't know what it's called, but it opens up. And inside of it, it is just so spacious. You can fit literally everything. It has the little Gucci thing right here. They got every single detail right on this one. It does come with like, I want to believe it's like their so-called authentication card, but obviously, you know, it's not authentic. But it might as well be, because no one's gonna be able to tell. I am telling you guys, I am so impressed. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the company, just so you guys have a little background. I always compare them with Dhgate, because to me Dhgate is one of those like big outlets to get designer replicas. I've had my share of experiences with Dhgate, and I actually haven't purchased from them in quite some time, because every single time that I would buy something, the seller would fuck up when it was my item. And I've said this plenty of times, like it's like the seller would have a million of great reviews with a million of great photos, and then mine will come and be crooked or dented, or something will always happen, but I will get screwed. So I was like, you know what, Dhgate, like I've had my share of experiences with you guys. Now, another thing about Dhgate is you are not able to see what you purchase off the bat. And I hope that makes sense. If you have bought from them before, you know what I'm talking about. They're not able to, first of all, advertise the name of it. So you can't just type on Dhgate Gucci Dionysus handbag. Nothing is gonna pop up. So it's obviously not gonna be sold like that. And another thing, they're not able to really put the prints either. So you wouldn't see this handbag the way that you look at it right now. On ibagshocom's website, you are able to see every angle, the photo. You're able to search them up by name, which is also very, very helpful. They also have an Instagram account, so you're able to see close-up photos. You can message them. They are super quick at responding, and they can give you, you know, different angles or more information about what you're trying to purchase. And I did mention this in my previous video from this brand. They are a little bit more pricey than Dhgate. I don't sugarcoat a damn thing, okay? I tell you guys exactly how it is. So they are a little bit more expensive, but when you put a little bit more money, you get amazing quality. You get something that literally has, like, I can't point one bad thing about it. And that's another thing that's so impressive with them. There's nothing defective. They make sure before they send you something that it's flawless, like 100% exactly what you paid for. And I'm not saying Dhgate doesn't have more expensive items, because they do, but at Dhgate you can also find items for like $20 or stuff like that. That's something that you are not able to find in this website. But just as I mentioned before, spending a little bit more money, you're gonna see that it can get you something much, much better. Another thing is you can opt out of no box. So if you don't care to have a box, just put no box, and then I think it saves you like $20. Might not seem like, wow, $20, but $20 is $20, homegirl, okay? So if you don't care and you want to save $20, don't get the box. I personally don't care for the box. Obviously this is sent to me for free, so they're going to be sending it with the box, but if I were to be buying it myself, believe me, I'll save you those 20. And one last thing I want to talk to you guys about this company is shipping, okay? Because shipping is important, and I cannot stress to you guys this enough. when I have shopped from DHgate, sometimes I was lucky and I got things within a week, but other times I waited 2 months, 3 months for my items. Like, it's one of those things that you just never know. You really never know. This one right here ships via FedEx Express, and literally I got it in 3 days, just like last time. The Louis Vuitton that they sent me also came in 3 days. This one came in 3 days. I'm not saying you're gonna get yours in 3 days, but I am gonna say that they do ship very, very fast. So also keep that in mind. Again, I just cannot tell you guys enough good things about it. I wish that you guys were here, or like someone could like hold this bag. Matter of fact, I might ask my sister to like hold the bag, because it is just so nice and such a heavy, but not like in, oh my god, like my shoulders like breaking, but it's just so nice and heavy and sturdy. I'm telling you right now, like I could walk into Gucci with this bag and nobody could tell me that it's fake, okay? Nobody, because it just doesn't look it, it doesn't feel it. I am just so freaking impressed. I can't even. As I mentioned before, all of their information will be in the description down below. So basically their website, their Instagram account, as well as a coupon code to save you guys some money. Now stay tuned, because I do have a few more designer replicas to show you guys in upcoming videos. I know you guys love watching those, and I actually have realized that I really do enjoy those videos as well. I didn't think, because I love my clothing videos, okay? Like, that's never gonna stop, because me and fashion is just, you know, me and clothes. I love clothes, but I'm also very just genuinely intrigued by what brands have to offer as far as dupes go, because I can save you guys a lot of money that way. If you are new to my channel and you enjoy these kinds of videos, as well as like clothing try on haul videos, do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.